Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for OneDaySaving, so let's get to it. So this is the first one, and it says Redbellied Bird. And it looks kind of like a Christmas ornament, maybe not, I don't know. It was just different. What can I say? And it's not very big. Turn it around. It is a Joy Sunday wannabe. And it was $3.97. So it looks like it's got a little back stitching in it, but there's not much. The canvas is 17 by 21, 14 count. Holy Toledo. It's got 38 colors in this. Okay. And it has full stitch and back stitch. It's got 5 different colors in back stitch. It's a 67 by 90. Nicely printed pattern. It's all on one page. So that's cool. But lots of back stitching. But not a very big thing. So you could make this into whatever you wanted it to. But, you know, with the bow, it just kind of reminds me of Christmas. And there's snow there. So, I don't know. Your choice, you know, if you think it looks Christmassy, use it for Christmas ornament. I don't know. So, let's look at the colors. Trying to get them all undone here. I'm liking these 14 count smalls. Does come with 2 needles. So, there's your first colors. They're kind of autumn looking colors. Oranges, yellows. You have B5200. I'm just going to separate them. There we go. That way we can see them all. But lovely, lovely colors. Nice, bright. Some are muted, some are not, some are brighter. Do have some blues or blue grays or purple. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. There is like a robin egg blue. But yeah, just nice colors. And I thought it was different and special. So that's why I got it, right? Put that up there. And it is serged all the way around. It does have the 2 numbers that come on the front of the Joy Sunday package. Now, the paper pattern will not match this. So you have teeny itty bitty key that runs all the way around. I'll bring it up. But it is kind of nicely printed. And see, it's not very big. Maybe 5 by 7. I don't know. We'll see here. It is 8, tad over 8 inches, or 20.5 by 6.5 or 16.5. And actual picture size is 6 1/4 by 4 3/4. So it'd fit in a 5 by 7 frame for sure. You just have a little extra white, and all this printing is going to go away when you're done anyway. But yeah, I just thought it was cute. For $3 and something, you can have a pretty little picture. And well, I was going to say you could change colors, but no. Just leave, you know, maybe you put it out for like an autumn thing. You know what I mean? Because of the colors being so autumn-like. I need a drink. Hang on. A little thirsty today. Yes, I'm drinking Coke first thing in the morning. What can I say? Some days you just need a Coke. So, let's see here. Get this out of this bag. Trying to see if there's a picture. And of course not. Nope. This is huge. I didn't know it was this huge. Thought it was going to be another small. Can we see it? Let me lay it down and bring you down. And see if I can bring it all the way in. There we go. And it's supposed to be like Starry Night in a cup, like a teacup. So it's kind of cool. So I thought it was pretty. I liked all the turquoises, and you just can't see nothing, can you? There we go. Sorry. Okay, this has 40 colors, and it is a 50 by 50. This is a nice big paper pattern. This time the paper pattern will match the canvas. Very nice, very well printed, nice and big. You're going to have some big areas and maybe a little bit of confetti running through it where the colors kind of meld together. This has my 154 purple. I love that. 310, 823, 939. Those are your two dark blues. No, 3371 or 3865. So, yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm glad it's a big printed canvas. Let's take a look at the colors here. It does come with a kit. This has a poof ball. Looks like 5 needles, a thimble, and a needle threader. We'll just put that up there with that so it doesn't get lost. And instructions on how to start, how to finish, how to wash it, that kind of thing. Let's take a look at these beautiful colors. I guess that color is plum, not purple. Sorry, I misspoke, but that's 151, I'm sure. No, 154, I mean. But it's a nice reddish, red-violet. It's just beautiful. Gorgeous. We have 939. This has got to be maybe 823. 823. Dark navy. What do we got here? This is another skein of 939, so you have 2 of those. And this is a pretty color. This is 3750. It's kind of a dark teal. Very pretty. Very pretty. We'll just set you aside and look at the rest. So there's lots of beautiful blues and greens and reds and oranges, complementary colors. There are, what did I say, 40 colors. So you have browns, light yellow, kind of a turquoise blue, kind of a green. Just set that aside so it doesn't get all tangled up with this. Hold that thought. But look at the blues in this. And you ever. Blue, turquoise, teal, greens. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I don't know what I was thinking, but it sure looked like a small picture to me, but it's not. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Let me see if I can just do this. And then I'll flip it. But look at all those beautiful colors. Aren't they just stunning? Oh, to die for. Whoop, sorry, I meant to get everybody in there together. Please cooperate. That way I don't lose any extra skeins and go, where was it? Yeah. Okay. Hold on. All right. Let's look at this canvas. We got, it is serged all the way around. Oh gosh. Hang on. The avalanche. Sorry. My bad. Yeah, I really knew that was kind of going to happen. So, yeah. Let's open this up. Very nice. But it's just way bigger than I thought it would be. Nicely printed key over here. And it is big and square. I mean, the teacup itself, the top of the teacup is maybe 12.5 inches, maybe 12.25 inches in diameter. And the whole teacup itself is, I'm guessing, approximately 15 inches tall. My goodness. What the heck? Yeah, I really thought this would be like a 40 by 40. 30 by 40. Yeah, that would help. Nope, it's huge. Ginormous. Beautiful picture, though. 50 centimeters or 19 3/4 by, if I can get it to lay down, 50, it looks like 51.5. Actual picture size is 44.5 or 17 3/4 by tiny bit over 17, and it's 43.5 that way. So yeah, very nicely printed. Nice big areas. If you like something with big areas, this is your game. This is your jam. Yeah, beautiful. Yep, I love the colors. Yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And it was $13.15. Well, thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits this week and last. They have free shipping. I believe it's over $50. If they have any specials, I'll put that in the description below. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, paint by number. They do custom in diamond painting and paint by number. They have paper quilling. They have beaded cross-stitch. They have tools and crafts for all that. So do check them out. They always have a wide variety. So, yeah, do as you do. But I think that's about it. I was looking to see if they had anything else, you know, like paper quilling and the wax. They probably have the wax and the... Sometimes they have stencils and stuff that you can get. Oh, excuse me. So do check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.